Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make caramelized onion hummus. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everyone you know. Like I said, we're going to be making caramelized onion hummus today, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to start out with 1 can of rinsed and drained chickpeas, 1/4 cup of tahini, 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of some ground cumin, a little bit of salt and pepper to taste along the way, and 1/2 cup of our onions that we're going to start with caramelizing as soon as we get done with this shot. Let's head over to the stove and do that. Alright, we're basically going to turn our pan onto about a medium high heat. We're going to add our olive oil right in there. Let that oil get hot. Alright, let's go ahead and add our onions in here. We're going to let these cook in this hot oil over the medium-high heat until they cook down and start caramelizing. I'm going to just cover them up, check our heat, and just let them cook. Alright, the initial shock wave of the cooking has started, so the heat's on, the onions, they're responding to the heat. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper into here. We're going to turn the heat down a bit and let them go low and slow for about 20 to 30 minutes. And we'll come back and see what they look like. Maybe occasionally stir them, I don't know. Alright, update on the onions. Looking good. Starting to get a little browning on the bottom of the pan and the onions as well. And if they start sticking, you can just use the water that accumulated on your lid and throw that in there. The underside of your lid, I should say. And that salt helps draw out the moisture too. So these are looking good. They're cooking low and slow. They're going to be nicely caramelized when we get done after about 20 minutes. Alright, so while the onions are over there cooking, we're going to go ahead and make our hummus here. So I'm going to go ahead and add our chickpeas, drained and rinsed. And I'm going to add the the tahini in here. Make sure you scrape it all out. We'll close that up and we'll give this a head start. Scrape it down a little bit. In the recipe it says to add water as needed to help thin this out. So we're going to do that. And don't forget that the recipe is in the description box to the first pinned comment. Add a little bit more water in there. Close it back up. Alright, it's coming off the side, so I'm going to go ahead and add the olive oil in here. And the lemon juice. Let's go ahead and pulse that. Nice. Add our cumin. Pulse that. Got a nice consistency to it. As you can see there, it's looking nice. I'm just going to leave this here just to let everything marry. Our onions are still cooking. When they get to where we want them to be, we're going to cool them down and we're going to throw them in this mixture here. So let's just leave this be while we go do that. We'll clean up our mess. All right, let's look at these now. These are nice and caramelized. Oh yeah, golden brown, almost black texture is nice. They smell fantastic. I am going to put these back in our bowl that we brought them in with, and we're going to put them in the fridge to cool them a little bit before we add them to our hummus. I'll meet you back over by the hummus that we're doing. All right, I cooled these a little bit, but we're going to put them in here and then we're going to chill the whole thing, so there's really no food borne illness worries that I'm going to have here. So, but I'm just going to put the onions right into what we made up earlier. I'm going to hit that with a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to grind this up, see what happens. Okay, it's grinding up nice. It's broken in there. Let's give it one more whirl. Maybe a little water. Cool. Grind it back up. Alright, we have got it done. That looks fantastic. When I took that lid off, the aroma was incredible. So what we're going to do now, if you've watched the show, is we're going to put this into a nice dish. We're going to put some food around it, take some lovely pictures with some awesome music, and we're going to come back and give it a taste. Don't go anywhere. Alright, well, we're back. I think this is going to taste fantastic. It smells really good. Let's just get a nice shot here. You can see from that shot right there how that hummus just sticks to that pita bread. The texture is thick. It's oily. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. You taste that tahini in there. The onions come through. Needs a little garlic. We didn't have the garlic in this one because we wanted the onions to stand out. But absolutely fantastic. Don't forget the recipes down in the description box or the first pinned comment. Yeah, that's a winner. You want to keep it in a container. I got it in a Tupperware here, and let it cool completely. It's got a little warmth to it still because we added those hot onions in there, but leave it uncovered till it's completely cool all the way through, and then you can put that sealed lid on there and let it stay in your fridge for a week or two. If it lasts that long, this is really good. So there's another shot of it right there. Caramelized hummus, onion hummus. Viewer request from Teresa. Teresa, thank you. This is a great idea. I hope you enjoy it. Take care of yourself. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.